everyone, take the top section of the hair and then make a braid out of it, and after you make the braid, loosen one side of it as such. Make another braid out of the other section of the hair as well. Wrap the first section into a circular shape as such and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Next, take the second section of the hair, once more wrap this as well. After you wrap this, use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. Wrap some braids around it after making multiple of them out of the rest of the sections of the hair. You may use decorative clips on the sides of it. Next, we will start off by gathering the rest of the hair together and tying a rubber band at the base. Take the top section of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Push a hair stick through it. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then wrap it around the hair stick and then bring the rest of the hair down. Now, taking the multiple sections of the hair that you have created, begin to make a braid of it, starting on the left side. Now, after you've made a braid on the left side, make one on the right side as well and then add some decorative pins to the hair. Tie a ponytail to the hair and then in the middle of the section, add another rubber band to it. Make two braids out of the bottom and roll these braids upwards. Fasten them in place using a bobby pin. Now, divide the top of the hair and then use a hair stick to separate them. Add a decorative clip at the back. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Then take a section from the left side, pull it through the top right side. Gather all of the hair together and then braid the rest of the hair. Lift the braid upwards and then fasten it onto the left side as such. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place and then use this hair stick on top of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, gather all of the hair together at the back, tie a ponytail to it. Now, make two braids out of this ponytail and then, starting with the left side, make this circular shape out of it. Now, starting with the right side, make another circular shape out of it. Use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place. Use two pearl shapes on either side. Now, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then on the left side, gather the hair together as such. Roll the hair upwards as such, and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Now, use a decorative pin at the top of it to make it look all the more better as such. Do this starting from the left side. Now, at the back, gather the rest of the hair together, and then put it into place. You may use this doing a mascara brush. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, insert a hair stick through it and then gather the hair together, tie it up at the base as such. Add a rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself, loop it upwards and then make a bun out of it. Use a decorative pin through the top as such. Next, we will start off by tying the top of the hair as such at the back and then make a bow shape out of it at the top by lifting the hair up. Insert a hair stick through either end. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then twist it one on top of the other as such. Loop it around the top bow that you have created and then add a rubber band to the middle section of this. Let it fall naturally as such. Next, take the middle section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then use a multi-level clip at the back of it vertically. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, twist it, insert it through the top as such. In the middle section as well, take two more sections, add it to the middle section. Do the same for the last section and comb it into place. Next, we will start off by taking this hair stick, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Now, wrap the ponytail around this bun stick and then roll it over as such. Wrap it around it and then gather the hair around it. Adjust it as need be. Now, you may use a decorative clip around it to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Gather the hair together and then wrap it around this hair twine as such. Pull all of it through. Now, once you are done with this, wrap the hair around this, roll it upwards as such and then gather it in a bunch. Adjust it as need be. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.